Okay guys, this is crazy. I just found this out. Okay, I'm really excited about this, okay. So, there's this thing, okay, a little backstory. You know, you can use the Wii guitar, like this one. There's a little rattle in it, but Wii guitar, you can use it on Clone Hero now using that adapter. It's like 22 bucks, and then there's some shipping, and it's out of stock a lot of times. Well, I just found an even cheaper solution to this, and it's just crazy. I didn't even realize. Okay, so I got this thing a little while ago called the Edge Super Gamepad for my Super Nintendo Mini Classic. I got one, and I got this controller. It was $14, and it came with this thing. Now you see what this is, right? See what that is? You know what that is. It's the exact same adapter, obviously, that the Wii guitar uses, because this is like Nintendo's proprietary controller port or whatever. And it goes to USB. Now it's really short. Okay, so before I get a little too ahead, you know, you take off the back like normal, pull this thing out, and plug it in. And now you've got it essentially to USB. It's really short, but you can get these USB extension cables. This one came with my printer like 4 or 5 years ago. See, it's just like female USB. Plug that in. You heard the Windows sound maybe with the camera. Once that's plugged in, you open up Clone Hero. I'm going to switch over to that. Alright, now that you have Clone Hero open, what you're going to want to do is click, well, okay, you see, I'm clicking select, and nothing is happening, right? What you're going to want to do is, well, I'm already signed in because I used my Explorer. I already had Clone Hero open, but you click spacebar, you click assign controller, and you click green. Oh, it'll say X input gamepad. Wait a minute. Player 1, assign controller. We have Clone Hero open. We're going to want to click spacebar. Oops. Oh god. Okay, now you see that, right? It says assign controller. It says controller. You click green. It says controller for Windows. Now you input all the buttons. I already did. That's how I found out about this. I was like, no way. One thing that doesn't work is whammy or tilt activation. So to fix the whammy problem, you see over here I assigned keyboard whammy space. Now I can just set my keyboard on the ground and hit space with my foot and whammy. It's kind of rigged up, but it's a $14 adapter compared to $22 plus shipping. And you know, you buy it at the store. So here I'm just gonna see it works. And I'll just load up a song. Let's see, what do I want to do as an example. Here, I'll just put this on the ground. If I want to whammy, I'll just touch my foot to space. You see, I can't activate. I have the palm activate. This starts off with some whammying, so I can show you that with spacebar. Oop, that's the other one, but this also has whammying right here. See, I'm holding spacebar with my foot. I want to try the rake strumming. Let's just go to like the fastest. I can rake strum this on my Explorer. It hurts. It rakes. It definitely rakes at like reasonable speeds, if not ridiculous speeds. Here, let me try slightly slower. I don't know how consistent it is. Oops. Yeah, it doesn't look consistent at all. This is just going up and down with one finger, and it's not staying consistent. Here, now with my Explorer, just as a little test. Yeah, I transitioned a little bit early on that red to green, but you see this thing's a lot more consistent, definitely. Anyone that talks bad about Explorers just got a bad one, but there's a lot of them out there that rate good, and there's a lot of them that feel good. Like, these frets are insane. So, good luck with this. Have fun with your new found WiiTar. It might suck though. I mean, there are WiiTars out there that suck. So don't think just because Asai has a great WiiTar or UCOG has a great WiiTar means it's gonna work good. Obviously, mine isn't perfect. Like, you saw how much more consistent this thing was at raking than that. But definitely, if the only thing you have is a WiiTar and you need an adapter and they're sold out or something, $14 plus a SNES controller. I mean, I got this at Walmart. You can find it at Walmart too, probably, if you guys have Walmart where you live, which I'm sure you do. But yeah, anyways, yeah, the end.